Well, good morning, everyone, team. Welcome back to the day 2 demo on Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications. So thank you everyone for joining the session today. So in the yesterday's session, yesterday we had day 1 demo session. So in yesterday's demo class, what we have seen, team, to have a quick recap of the things that what we discussed yesterday. So first I have explained you the introduction to the concept of ERP, right? So what is enterprise resource planning? We have seen, team. Why? Because I told you yesterday our Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications are part of ERP family. So what is ERP? For what purpose in the companies these technologies will be used? That we have seen first of all. And what are the different ERP products that we have in the market? That also we have seen, team. And then we spoke about what is Oracle Fusion application is about and Fusion applications evaluation overview. I mean to say the history or the background of the Fusion applications we have seen yesterday, team. Like in which year Oracle introduced these Fusion applications. Prior to that, what are the previous ERP applications we have in the market when Oracle acquired them, right? The entire background of the Fusion applications we have seen yesterday. And then, team, I introduced to you the types of companies involved in the usability of this particular product, like who is vendor or who is called as client or the customer company, who is the consulting or the implementation company. Once you learn this course, in which type of companies you will be recruited and what you will be doing, that we have seen in the types of companies involved. Okay. And then we spoke about, team, Fusion environment releases. I mean to say, like in which year Oracle introduced the application and what is the release version that Fusion applications were launched. Since then, what is the evaluation and what is the current version of the Fusion application? I have explained you, team. And also, what is the upgradation policy that Oracle following for their Fusion application? I told you quarterly upgradation policy Oracle will follow. Like they have divided each year into 4 quarters and they named as A, B, C, D. And every 3 months, I mean to say 4 times in a year, Oracle will provide their upgradation to the application I told you. And what is the release version sequence Oracle follow? That also I explained you yesterday, team. The current release is 25B. Next I told you we will move to 25C, then 25D. So what is the pattern that Oracle following for upgrading their application we have seen here yesterday? And what is this release versioning numbering format Oracle following? That also we have seen, right? And then I spoke about modules in Oracle HCM Cloud. What are the total modules that we have in this technology? What comes under functional? What comes under technical side of the application? That we have discussed yesterday. Okay. Am I audible to everyone, team? Sri Charan. Sorry, your
Yes.
voice is low.
Yes, sir. You can.
Audible, right? Sri Charan, I think
Yes,
you have to increase your volume from your end because maximum volume in my laptop I can see. Fine, no problem. Thanks for confirming. So we have seen what are the modules we have in the Fusion application, team. Like what comes under functional, what comes under technical side of the application, and any prerequisites that we should be learning before joining this program or before learning this Oracle HCM Cloud. That also I told you. So I keep on telling always team. Even yesterday also I told you this technology is going to be a completely zero coding or no coding required technology. So as I mentioned, you no need to learn any prerequisites before attending this program. I mean to say any prior languages separately, you no need to enroll, you no need to learn them directly without having any prerequisite. You can start learning this technology team. Okay. These things we have discussed yesterday. And then after explaining you the modules that what we have in the system, what kind of roles in the market you will be recruited and what is the high demanded role, techno functional I told you, that we have discussed it team. And then I explained you the course features in the yesterday's session. I mean to say, what are the course features? What is the course duration? How many days the program is going to be, right? I told you it's a 3 months program, generally Monday to Friday, morning 8 to 9 a.m. But as such, we started the new batch. Today we scheduled a session, though it is a Saturday, but regularly it will be Monday to Friday, right? And you will be getting, along with the live training I told you, lifetime video access with 5 months of server access with real-time projects, and from placement point of view, resume preparation, mock interviews, interview question and answers, referring to the companies for the interviews to get scheduled. These all support you will be getting, I told you. And also what kind of job postings that we usually will be doing in your WhatsApp community that I have showed you. And then some of the student feedbacks I have gone through yesterday team, and also some of the placement success stories of our students who recently got placed in different companies. These things we have seen in our yesterday session team, right? And then finally, the program fee and the early bird discount, additional benefits, what you will be getting. These things we discussed and we winded up the session for yesterday. This is what the background of yesterday's demo session, right? Now today, what we are going to see, from today, you can consider it as our regular class only. Usually we will be continuing every batch. We have the pattern like this. Day one, I will consider as demo. And from today, it will be the regular concepts only. Today and next Monday, Tuesday, you will be going across like that. So maximum people got enrolled team till night. I mean to say around 9 o'clock, we've been receiving the enrollments. Whoever confirmed their enrollments till 9 p.m., we have shared the access to you. Please check your emails team. Two things you should be getting completed today. Every one of you, please get it done. If you have enrolled for the program, people who enrolled till 9 p.m. yesterday, we have created your user accounts team. I told you, right? Everyday session recordings will upload in our portal. Like if you go to our website, right, team, you will be provided with user ID and password. I told you yesterday. Live classes login. This access to the portal for everyone who completed their enrollments till 9 p.m. because last day I asked admin team to work for a bit late because many people from US or Middle East been paid at the late night. Till 9 o'clock, whoever completed, you will be receiving the emails. Please check out your emails team. While checking, please do check your spam folders also in your email inbox, because sometimes for few people our emails are landing up in spam because of some technical glitch and all. Please check your spam folders also. This is important thing. If you paid the fee but you didn't get the access, there is no use, right? So please get this confirmed. Check your email whether you got access to the portal or not. Clear steps will be given to you. How to log in into the portal, how to get access this portal to you. Whoever paid after 9 o'clock, today morning we have seen some midnight enrollments have been done through the payment link. For them, okay, don't worry, we have not shared access to you. Today we will share that access team. Okay. And then we also shared WhatsApp community link for the people who enrolled. Please get added to that community team. So these two things I want everyone to be completing today. One thing, getting your access creation. If you have not received the email, please reach out to us. Our admin will create and they will provide you. Secondly, ask for the WhatsApp community group. Get added yourself into that. Going forward, any communication that I want to do, it could be materials sharing, it could be class links, it could be anything about the class reschedulings or holidays, anything. I will be communicating only from that WhatsApp community to every one of you. Please get added to that community today. These two things, if you are missing, then between we and you, there is no communication connection. So something you will be missing out from us. Get yourself clarified with these two things today. Okay. If anyone not yet enrolled, please complete. Today will be the last day of the enrollment stream and the offer also will be concluded for today. No, there will be no further extension from tomorrow. Till today, the enrollments will be taken up because we also have to complete the cloud account creations and all. So the licensing and all, we also have to pay for the e-learning portals and all. Till today, the batch will be finalized. Okay. Thank you everyone team. Now, let me start the session for today. What we are going to continue today, team. See, in today's session, first I will introduce to you this Oracle's knowledge repository and certification process. Actually, these two concepts we supposed to cover yesterday only because already it's reached 2 hours. I concluded the topics yesterday. Let me continue today with these two topics first of all, and then I will introduce to you the Fusion applications team. How to log in into the Fusion application. When any company buy the product from Oracle, how the Fusion applications will be delivered and what are the basic home screen look and feel functionalities in the Fusion application, that all we will see today. So the very first topic that I will be taking up, team, Oracle Knowledge Repository. What I mean, Oracle Knowledge Repository. See, as I told you, anyhow, you will be getting the custom materials from us for every module, team. For every module, as I told you yesterday, for each module, the custom PDFs, everything you will be getting. But on top of the materials what we providing, if you want to explore Oracle standard documentation, how to get that? Not only that, team, every quarterly upgrade, when Oracle providing upgrade to their application, I told you, Oracle will brings in some new functionalities in the system, some new enhancements in the system. So how you can know in each upgrade what new functionalities Oracle bringing? Because team, when you learning a particular IT technology, you should also evolve along with the application. If application is molding or if the technology is growing, you should also grow along with the application. So every time to keep ourselves updated, you should follow these documents in your real-time projects also. So every quarterly upgrade, when Oracle upgrading their application from version to version, what are the new enhancements in each module Oracle bringing in? Oracle will give the release notes documents for that team. Many people don't know. Simple is there is nothing to pay for Oracle anything. It's a free source. We can able to access that. So the standard Oracle documentation for each module, implementation guides, user guides, admin guides, or the release notes, how you can access that team? Simply go to your internet, I mean to say browser, Google, Firefox, anything. Just type as docs.oracle.com. Just type as docs.oracle.com. The website name is what, team? DOCS. Docs means documents.oracle.com. Just to go to any of the browser, type docs.oracle.com. You will land upon this page. Help center, what can we help you find? And here you can able to see all the Oracle products in the system team here. See, I came to this website. Did I logged in? Few of you might consider Kumar is partnered with Oracle for all these trainings and all. He got access to the Oracle websites. Nothing. See, if I keep my cursor here, did I logged in? No, it's a plain page. Now it is asking me to sign in. So I have not signed in. So if anyone watching the class from laptop or mobile, just go through your Google and type as docs.oracle.com. You will be landing upon this page. Here you can see all Oracle Cloud applications team. This is cloud infrastructure. This is Java or on-premise. All Oracle products you can check out, team. Our technology is what? Fusion applications. Correct? What is our course name? Oracle Fusion. Right? So here come to Fusion application suite. And here another product of Oracle, we have NetSuite. That is also there here, team. But we should come here, Fusion application. In Fusion also, we have different options coming up. Financials, supply chain, human resource, sales. Human resource is our team. Now I have to tell you something important. See, under Oracle Fusion applications, under Oracle Fusion Cloud applications, Oracle offering several products under that umbrella. So our product is Oracle Fusion HCM, Human Capital Management. HR related software application is ours. Similarly, we have Oracle Fusion Financials, Oracle Fusion Supply Chain Management, Oracle Fusion CRM, Procurement, PPM. Different products are available under Fusion for catering different business areas team. So Oracle Fusion Financials Cloud is an application which will be used in any company for their day-to-day finance operations to conduct team. Supply chain for their operations to conduct. CRM for their sales and marketing to conduct. So different products are available under Fusion. But we as an individual, whenever we starting our career or anyone in the market team will be choosing any one of the product as their career. No one will work on all the products. That doesn't happen in any markets team. You either will work as a HCM consultant or Oracle Fusion Financials consultant or supply chain consultant. When we choosing a career, any one product we have to choose in this. So we are going to know about this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud team. So different products Oracle offering. So when you come, that all products you can see, financial, supply chain, sales. Ours is human resource. Click on human resource team. Then you will land upon this page, Oracle Human Resources. On the left hand side, we have different options coming up. Here you go to all books. Go to all books. Select the all books stream. Then the page will come with that one. Here you have the filter in the view. You want implementation documents, user guides, admin guides, what you want. I want implementation guides, how to implement these each modules. I want that material. Then team, in the view, select implementation as a filter. All modules implementation guides, implementing absence management, implementing benefits, implementing compensation, global HR, global payroll, help desk. In payroll, Again, localizations will be there. Country to country documents team. Then time and labor. See, all our modules related documents are there team. So here you can come, any module that you want, just click on this PDF symbol team. PDF will open here. See, implementing global human resource with the latest version, that is 25B. See, a clear-cut explanation of each and every topic team. What is that topic? Okay, everything documented here. But team, Oracle standard documents are very detailed and very lengthy documents. See, 398 page document this is. Reading all this will not be a right aspect or right point in your training. So this is for your reference purpose. Any concept that you want to explore, you can make use of them. But maximum time you follow our documents team. We have given the same core HR module with 130 page end-to-end configuration in a easy language of understanding, right? See, what is the topic? What is the navigation? Which screen we have to go, where to click, how to configure. So though our materials are there, if you want to explore the Oracle standard documents, you have to come here team. It's a downloadable document directly. You can even download this and keep it safe. So here in the all books for all modules, the PDFs are available team. So these are implementation guides. If you want user guides, let's say once you configure the system, we hand over to the client. They are using in their day-to-day life, different transactional aspects, each module you want. These all are user guides available team. So you can able to download them, right? And then here, if you come to videos, small videos, some, I mean, not detailed thing, some of the features that recently Oracle brings in, 1 minute, 2 minutes, short bites that Oracle will provide for each module team. So you can explore them to understand the new functionalities that came in the system. See, short bites, these all are module wise team. So you can even explore them here for your knowledge purpose. Then the main important aspect here is team. Okay, release notes. Every quarterly upgrade, when Oracle upgrading their system, what new functionalities Oracle bringing in, where we can find that document here in this docs.oracle.com only. Above all books, we have something called cloud readiness / what's new. Go to what's new here, right? What's new? All product wise filters you can see. I'm selecting human capital management. Here you can filter which release latest updates, and here you have sub filter team. So within our HCM, all our modules are categorized into different offerings team: human resource, talent, payroll. So anything you can keep all. If you scroll down, see team, this is for benefits module. What's new? 25B. Compensation module. Common features. Core HR, that is human resource means. Okay. Then we have compensation, learning and development, OLC, recruiting, ORC, talent management, absence management, time and labor, payroll. For every module, new features. If you want to explore what's new, come select your human capital management team, HCM. Module wise documents are there here. You can click on that. I told you, right? The latest version currently is 25B. We are in second quarter in this year. We are in the month of May, right? 25B. So here the documents are here team. So if I go to any particular module, let's say in compensation module, I want to find what's new features came in 25B. Click on that. I will land upon compensation module here. Expand here. These are the new features came in compensation module team. See, so there is some feature save available in Redwood salary and individual compensation page. What is that feature? Explanation with the screenshot in the system. what is that new feature came? This save button came additionally in the system. That is what that feature is about, team. Then second feature, something here, exclude individual compensation plan options using business rule. So where is that, team? In the front end, what is that new feature came? See, like this clear cut explanation, steps to enable, how to enable that functionality in the system. Every feature what Oracle bringing in this upgrade with explanation, with the screenshots, okay? Detailedly, Oracle will provide us the information, team. This is very important point for everyone, not only during the time of learning. Once we get into the real-time projects team, okay, in every 3 months, once you have to keep this activity. Just for 10-15 minutes, you spend your time. Come to these documents, just explore in this module what features came. Acha, okay, like that. So that you will be keep yourself updated about what happening in the system. Next, go back team. This is for compensation module. Next, you want for core HR, human resource. Then go to that team. Then go to that team. Then here you can see human resources, that is for global HRC. So here you can see what is that new feature, something work pattern enhancement. What is that feature? Where is that upgrade coming up? How to enable them in the system. For every module, these are the release notes. Okay. Now we are seeing 25B. Let's say you want to check out last quarter, 25A, what upgrades are there. Here you pick up prior updates in the filter team. Okay, prior updates. Then you can see 25A related, and previous to that last year's 24B, 24C, 24D, whatever there you can check out here team in prior updates, old year team or last quarter 25A these are. Then whenever we moving to the months of July team, when third quarterly upgrade coming, here you will able to see 25C related documents also. Usually 1-2 months prior only Oracle will release these documents to the open world. So we have to come here and we have to find all the relevant documents of Oracle. So this is Oracle's knowledge repository where you can access Oracle documentation for each module and release notes for every quarterly upgrade. Each module wise, what new functionalities Oracle bringing in the system, you can able to explore them. So this is one of the preliminary important aspect everyone should make a habit when you're learning this technology thing. I'm now it's not required to you. Probably 3 months or 4 months, I'll be teaching everything. You will be getting into the jobs and all. But make this as a habit once after you getting into the job also. Every 3 months, once you spend some time, just hardly 15-20 minutes, every module just to go through like that. Because by that time, you are habituated to the system. You know each and every screen in the system. So just like that, if you walk through, you will understand what new functionalities are coming up. As a trainer, even now, I'll be doing the same. Every 3 months, I'll sit 1-2 hours peacefully. Each and every module, what new functionalities coming in, I will explore. Because I have to add it to my curriculum. That is from my point of view. That is my tribe. But as a working professionals, you should also keep yourself updated to the application. So make this as a habit. Explore the things every quarterly upgrade, what functionalities Oracle bringing in the system. That is my personal suggestion to every one of you team. Okay. Then next what we can talk about, the next topic for the day, certification process team. Because few of the students asking about certification, like when they spoke with me or when they discussed with the admin team, or even few of the people when they walk in yesterday, they were asking about the certification pattern is how in the Fusion system. Will it be a costly procedure, or first of all, is it really relevant for us? Do we have to do? If not, we don't get the job in this domain. Many questions related to certification people having. So let me briefly walk through Oracle certification process. how it will be. See, the first thing that you have to keep in mind when I say certification team, Oracle certification process, okay? Oracle certification process. This is our technology team, right? We all know Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud is our technology. When it comes to certification part, okay, for entire course, for entire application, one certification, we don't have that concept team. We have different modules, no, in our HCM Cloud. Yesterday I discussed it. We have different modules: core HR, absence, payroll, talent. We have different modules in the system. Oracle will conduct the certification module wise team. Okay. Oracle will conduct the certification module wise. There is no certification for entire Fusion HCM Cloud. No. Each module wise, Oracle will conduct the certification exam. That is first thing everyone should be clear. And for every module, there will be an examination name and examination code. Something like, let's say, if you take Global HR module team, you have the examination name like Oracle Global Oracle Global Human Resource Cloud Implementation Specialist. Okay, specialist. Like that, we have an examination name and there will be a code for that. For core HR, it is IZO 1054 or 64 something is there. Okay, /24. 25 paper had to come till 24 only their team. Okay, 1054 or 1056, like that we have team different codes. Correct me. This might not be the exact code. Even I can't recollect the codes correctly. But for every module, Oracle will conduct the certification exams team. How it will be happening? Who will conduct the exam? Basically, Oracle itself will conduct the certification exam. But there are two approaches here, team. Number one, Oracle partnered with a company called View Pearson. There is a company by name View Pearson. If you go to the internet team and if you search in your browser View Pearson, the very first result that will come is Pearson View. Okay. So this is the examination partner for Oracle team. View Pearson. See, prior to COVID, even now also, this Pearson test centers will be there across all the major cities in the world. In Hyderabad we have 5-6 test centers in Himayat Nagar, in KPHB, in Madhapur, in Chennai, in Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai, across in US, UK, everywhere Pearson test centers will be there. Either you can go there, book the exam, and you can sit there and write it physically. But post COVID, Oracle also conducting the exams in online mode. You can directly go to this View Pearson website. Okay, create your account, free account only it will be. Search for your program, like you have the option team, something like online testing. Okay, you can go here, you can search your exam, book the time slot, and then sit in your home. It's a video cam recording, monitored exam team. You can sit in your home and you can write the exam. So two approaches. Either you have to go to View Pearson test centers, book the exam, sit there in their office premise. They will give you the system access. You have to write there. They will monitor you. If not, online. You can directly book the exam at your convenient time, sit in your home, write the exam. But your video will be monitored. The webcam should be on. The team will be monitoring you while you're taking the exam team. This is one approach. Or else, directly you can go to education.oracle.com. That is an Oracle University website team. Okay. Directly go to education.oracle.com. So this is Oracle's own university website. You can directly go here, go to certification and product wise all certifications, schedule your exam. Go to schedule your exam, which module you want to write. Okay, you can come. Okay, basically that is different thing. Usually you won't get any of these logins. Directly you can able to go purchase the exam and you can write team. So here also you have all products wise. If you come here, all different modules. See, this is global HR implementation team. Then this is for learning. This is for payroll. This is for compensation. This is for recruiting cloud. Okay. This is for absence management. So all examinations will be there here. You can directly go here, book your slot, and you can sit and write in your home team. So either to go to View Pearson, write the exam, or directly education.oracle.com is the website. You can go there, book the exam, and you can write. So what is the examination fee that Oracle will charge team? For each module, Oracle charging somewhere around 23,000 plus applicable taxes team. So it might be 1-2,000 plus or minus, the appreciation will be. But in general, for each module, Oracle charging somewhere around 23,000 plus taxes. And the examination pattern will be MCQs, multiple choice questions with practical scenarios. See, till 2022, we don't have practical scenarios concept team. Only MCQs we used to have. But from 2023, many people are doing the malfunction practices. I mean to say, mispractices, manipulating the certification exams, proxyifying the exams. Oracle made their examination pattern little bit strict. So from 2023 onwards, along with MCQs, they introduced practical scenario based questions also. I mean to say, if you are writing core HR module exam, somewhere around you will be having the questions from 85 to 100 questions team. Okay. You will be getting 85 to 95 or 100 questions you will get for each paper. Out of them, MCQs and scenarios they are giving. They are giving you a real-time requirement. They are giving you the Fusion application environment there, asking you to configure and show it their team. So MCQs with practical questions introduced in the certification process now. So module by module, number of questions will differ. Core HR is a big module. You might expect 85 to 95 or 100 questions. Absence module is not that big. 50 to 60 questions you can expect in absence. But module wise, Oracle will conduct the certification exam. And these are the websites that we can go and we can book the exam. This is the cost that you have to pay to Oracle University for each module to write. And this is negative marking evaluated exam. So when you are writing the exam, you should not directly randomly like our MSET exams and all, how we will give randomly MCQs, ABCD options. No, negative marking will be there. 75% is the pass percentage. You have to get 75%, or else you will be considered as failed. And team, this is a non-refundable amount. Only one attempt. We don't have 3 attempts, 4 attempts concept. You book the exam, pay the fee, write the exam, you should get passed. If you fail, that will be not refunded to you. One attempt only it will be. Now the most important, is it mandatory or not? Absolutely not mandatory. Unlike in SAP or Workday, in Fusion application, okay, in Fusion application, certification is not mandatory team. Recruiters will not be looking at your certifications for scheduling the interview. Definitely, this is not mandatory. Particularly freshers, non-IT people, forget about this part. Not at all required to you. Once you get into the organizations, once you get into the projects, when you are working, sometimes few of the clients will ask the company, in my project, I want all certified resources only should be working. During that time, your company or your project manager will ask you to clear the certifications team. Then that time, this fee also companies will pay. Your company will have free coupons team. They will bear the cost on behalf of you. So don't waste your money. Don't put from your pockets now. Not at all required for your interview selections, nothing. people who already working in IT, if you are switching your career also not required. You can think about this after you getting into the companies, depending upon project requirement, you handle this one. Upfront, no need to spend, no need to write. But anyone already working in IT industry, you are planning to switch to Oracle Fusion, you people check with your manager. Your manager will give you the free coupons for that. If you have that budgets, company bearing, then you can give a shot. But no need to waste your money. Don't spend on this team. Not at all required. But for US people, Canada people, or UK, these countries, the recruitments are mostly fascinated towards their certifications team, but not Indian market. I'm talking about US people, Canada or UK, these countries. There, the recruitment patterns are different. In those countries, your certification will be an added value to you. You people, you can plan if you want to do the certification. That too, depending upon your profile, your recruitment happening in and around nearby your team. But or else, this certification is not a showstopper to you. Forget about it. Don't waste that time here. Practice the concepts, cover the subject, drop the resume. That's all. Not required as of now. Okay. But as such, you should know the process. We have to guide you. So if anyone want to do certification also from our side, complete support will be there for clearing the certification team. We will provide the dumps for the modules. Dumps means already the question and answers. I mean to say, when you book the exam, what questions will come in the exam? That ready-made questions are available with us team. At least 80% same questions will repeat in your exam. Only 10-20% only you have to sensibly answer after our training with your knowledge. So we will provide with the dumps so that it will helpful to you for clearing the certification team. Okay. Not only that, beyond that also we have some supports that offline you can discuss with us. We can able to help you out. So this is about team Oracle certification process. Okay. So the preliminary things that what we left over yesterday, we covered team. Now, let me introduce to you the Fusion application. Okay. Let us enter into our actual Fusion applications team. Now I'm telling since yesterday, our Fusion applications are cloud-based applications. Our Fusion applications are working on a cloud-based technology team, right? What I mean by cloud-based technology, first of all, cloud-based means what team? Any software, any software that is hosted over the internet, we call it as cloud. Okay. Perfect example, our Google Gmail team. Gmail, anywhere you have to install in your laptop? No, right? Just you will go to any Explorer or Google Firefox, you type as gmail.com. It will prompt you for sign in and password. You will log in with your credentials. You can start sending your emails team. Anywhere are you installing that? No. Facebook you take, Instagram you take, LinkedIn you take. When you're operating from a laptop, do you require all the applications to download or any software to download in your system? No. All these are cloud-based deployment options team. Now every technology in the market operating on a cloud-based deployments only. Means a software that is hosted over the internet. So when any client buy the product from Oracle, for example, let us take like this team. You take any well-known company, Tata Group you take, okay? That is our very well-known Indian MNC. We all know that. Let's assume team Tata Group is our client or the customer. In our example, I'm taking to make you understand. Yesterday, I have told you no, who is client or customer. Now, Tata Group want to buy Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications from Oracle in order to use in their day-to-day HR operations. So Tata company decided that they want to use Oracle HCM Cloud in their day-to-day HR operations team. Now Tata buying the product from Oracle. So Oracle Corporation, okay, Oracle Corporation is the vendor. Vendor means the owner of the product team who selling the product in the market. So Tata Group now want to purchase this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications, Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications from Oracle. That is the HR software that they want to use in their day-to-day HR operations team. Our role will come here. Now Tata purchased the product from Oracle. So Oracle delivered the product to Tata. Now Tata Group want someone who can implement the application according to their requirement. So Tata, let's say, given the project to Accenture or Deloitte, anything you take. Example, I'm taking Accenture team. So Accenture is the consulting company or the implementation partner team, implementation partner for Tata. So Tata Group purchased don't ask me, Kumar, Tata have TCS? No, forget about quite some time. Tata is exceptional case. They also do IT services, but don't include that, or else why to confuse you. Let me take our Reliance here so that you will be in same page. Okay. Reliance Industries, we all know, right? Mbanis. So let's say team, Reliance Industry bought the product from Oracle team. They bought Oracle HCM Cloud. Now Reliance Industries want some company help to configure their application according to their requirement. In order to use in their day-to-day life, they want someone who can configure the system with their requirement, with their data. Because when Reliance purchased the product from Oracle, Oracle will give the product with all basic, not basic, with blank data with all functionalities in the system. So Reliance want someone to configure the application according to their requirement. So let's say Reliance given the project to Accenture team. So Accenture is the consulting company, IT company in the market. So this is the implementation partner for Reliance. So here we will be working. Till here, every one of us clear. Yesterday only I told you. So we are working here team in Accenture. We got a project from the client Reliance. Now we have to start configuring the things. Now, Fusion applications are on a cloud-based technology. Means when Reliance buy the product from Oracle, how the Fusion HCM applications will be delivered to Reliance. How in the sense, in which form the application will be delivered? Just in the form of URL. Just in the form of URL. So team, this is the Fusion application URL. Okay. This is the Fusion applications URL. I'll show you from a different thing. Just give me a second team because it's open to IDC as an extension enabled in my demo instance. Okay. This is actual page team. Okay. So the Fusion application will be delivered to the clients just in the form of this URL. Okay. Just in the form of this URL team with user ID and password. With user ID and password. See team, when any company buy the product from Oracle, the Fusion application will be delivered just in the form of URL team like this. See, this is a URL with user ID and password. So anywhere does this application to access, we are installing that in our laptop or any server the client purchasing from Oracle. Nothing, cloud-based model means that one. Just take the URL, copy paste in any of your browsers team. See, just I'm taking up. Let me close it. Okay. Just let me go here. Just copy paste the URL, enter. So, okay, enter. Okay. Now see team, I'm prompting into a page called Sign in Oracle Applications Cloud. So the Fusion application will be given in the form of this URL, just a web link. This is a Fusion application team with a user ID and password, with a user ID and password. So once we put in your user ID and password, and once you click on sign in, okay, once you click on sign in, just a second, team. Problem is some of the students resetted the passwords. Let me use the another instance, okay. Just a second, team. Let me get the password credentials. Admin, can you please help me out with the password? Someone, I think, resetted the password for the login. Just one second, team. I'm trying to get my credentials because some of the students, when they're practicing, when we give the user ID and password, they might have resetted the credentials. Just one second, team. I just stopped sharing the screen. Let me take another instance. Okay. Okay. Thanks. Thanks for that, admin team. Okay. So just like this, once I pass my URL here, it will prompt me for sign in. So I can give the user credentials here, one of my user account I'm using here, team. So the moment I give the user ID and password, okay, and click on sign in, my page is loading here. I will be entering into the Fusion application. Okay. So this is the Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications. Forget about this blue color background and all. It's a theme basically. Few of the people when they're practicing, they changed the theme color. No worries. It doesn't look this ugly, okay? It looks very calm and beautiful, but someone when they're practicing this concept of sandbox, your previous batch people are there, no? The sandbox customizations concept team. Someone changed the theme color of the system. That is why it is coming. So this is the Fusion application. What I'm trying to tell is here, when any company buy the product from Oracle, the application will be delivered just in the form of URL. So cloud-based deployment means this one only team. You no need to install any software in your laptop or in your PC. Just good laptop with good internet connection is sufficient. Not even high-end processors team. The basic laptop, i3 processor laptop is sufficient to access the Fusion application. So this is the look and feel of the Fusion HCM cloud applications. Okay. So here I want to tell you something. Okay. What are the different names that we can call Fusion application? Now I'm using the word as URL or web link I'm calling team. But in real time, whenever you're working in the projects, you should not use this terminology to refer Fusion application. Because when we are working in the companies, we should be also following the professional terminologies to refer the Fusion application. So what are the different names that we can refer the Fusion applications? Let's say you are working in the real-time companies in the project. Sometimes you might be working for multiple projects also. So that time, if you ask your colleague, hey, can you give me that client link to me? Or can you please give me that client URL? That doesn't looks good, team. So we have certain professional jargons or the terminologies to refer Fusion applications team. What are they? You can call them our regular layman terminology, URL, link. These are common, regular usable terminologies. but the actual terminology that you should call Fusion applications as environment, okay, instance, server, okay, you can call them as instance, environment, server, okay, or pod, platform on demand, or tenant. You can refer Fusion applications with these terminologies in the real-time projects when you are working. Don't use the word URL or link. Okay, that doesn't look professional. You should call the Fusion applications as environment, instance, server, POD. POD means platform on demand, tenant. Okay, some people will call it as sandbox also. So different names we have to refer the Fusion application team. So once you join the organization, you will be hearing these terminologies from your colleagues in that team. So when they're talking about environment, instance, server, pod, tenant, if someone comes and asks you, hey, can you give me the pod details of that particular client? Pod means they're asking client application and its credentials team. So these are the different names that we can refer Fusion applications in the real-time world. Okay. Here also yesterday, when I'm giving you the course features details team, what I kept in my slide, 7 months Oracle server access. That word I'm using, server access, right? Here also the word I'm using, additional server access, server. That is Fusion application team. Server means. So you can call with these different names the Fusion application. And one more important point I want to share with you today. What is that? As I told you, once you selected for the interviews, when you joined the organization's team, sometimes you might be in a situation to work for multiple projects team. Particularly, we have different projects in this technology, implementation project, support project. This is the PPT I thought of showing you yesterday, but that was not available with me. I have not shown. So as I told you team, we'll be conducting the workshop sessions on real-time project implementation, means this one. So end-to-end real-time implementation, how it will happen from project management plan, kickoff meeting, as is study, to be study, CRP1, CRP2, till go live hypercare. What are the different phases we have? In each phase, what documents? See RD50, BP80, CV10 or BR100. Huh? Then first of all, what are the types of projects we have? We'll start with that team. Okay, something like how many team members we will have in each project, what are the types of users team, and then like all these basic project implementation things you will be getting. Then what kind of projects we have? Support project means what? Implementation project means what? In support project, what work you will do? How the tickets will come? Every day, how we will discuss with the client over the phone call or Teams call or Zoom meetings, how? Then tickets means what? Within what time we have to resolve the ticket? P1 means what? P2 means what? These all things you will be getting understanding over the span of time. So different types of projects and all we will see in the workshop sessions team. So what I'm trying to tell is, particularly in support projects, whenever you are working in real time, you might be in a situation to work for multiple clients, multiple projects simultaneously. During that time, how you will understand team, which client application is what, the URL is there. Let's suppose team, you are working for three clients, client A, client B, client C. Okay. Three projects you got mapped with three clients. How you will differentiate the URL of the client team? Customer to, very important, please focus, very important. Customer to customer, when Oracle selling their product, in the URL, these four characters will be unique. Here I have HTTP EIIV. Okay. So for one client, if it is like that team, for another client, that numbering will be different. I mean, that characters will be different. They might have some other URL. Then for another customer, they will have, okay, they will have some other number. So team, client to client, you can able to identify your URL or the instance by looking at this 4 characters team. We call that 4 characters as a pod number, POD number team. We call it as. Kumar, they are in characters. No, you are calling it as number. Yes. Though they are in characters, Oracle named it as pod number, platform on demand number team. Customer to customer, when Oracle selling their product to make their URL or the application unique, these 4 characters code Oracle will be changing. So when you are in the project team, which client's application is what, by looking at these 4 characters, you can understand that is pod number. So for every client you working, every company's application will be differentiated with this 4 characters pod number thing, right? Then Oracle Cloud.com remains same. This will not be their team. In projects, whenever you are starting, you will be experiencing different types of environments team. Something like a production environment, production environment, development environment, then testing environment, that is test environment. We have different environments team. So they are too early to understand. Once we come to the implementation project, I will talk about them here. See, in this presentation, I kept them here. What is dev environment, what is test environment, what is production environment team. So while we starting the project, in which environment we will work first of all, then where we will move that all. So this part, once I cover in our implementation project workshop, you will understand further team. So like /dev2 is there, that is development environment team usually. But what is prod, what is dev, what is test, what is the differences in the URL, that I will talk later team. But in general, at this point of initial understanding, you should have clarity with this team. So when any customer buy the product from Oracle, application will be delivered just in the form of this URL. Okay. And these are the different names that we can refer Fusion application as. So to access Fusion application, user account is required team, user ID and password to access that system. And this is how the Fusion application home screen look and feel will be there, right? So these 4 characters pod number will be differed from customer to customer when Oracle selling their product, right team? So till here, everyone is clear team. So this will be the home screen look and feel of the Fusion application. So this is what I have a plan to cover today team. In the next session on Monday, we will be continuing with the intro about this application team. Once we log in, what are these functionalities, what we call it as, or what is this area, what we have here, or what are these icons, or when I go here, what is this settings and action button. These all intro will continue in our next session. And in the next session team, I'm going to start with our very first topic, that is security administration in the system. Any training you take, or any project you take in the real time, the very first thing that we should be starting is security administration team. Because in order to access the Fusion system, we require user ID and password. Today, I came to the website, not website, the application. I have given my user ID and password team. Then only I could able to sign in into the system. So when we go for the project, how our user accounts for the client application will be created, we have to start from that thing. So any project implementation you go, the first concept that we will be starting from user creation part. So in the next session on Monday, I'll be starting with the very first topic, that is security administration module in the system. In this module, user creation and access provision to the user, that all will be discussed. So we'll take up this topic in next session, team. So before closing the session for today, I request everyone who not yet completed their enrollments, please do complete the enrollments, team. Today will be the last day for the enrollments. We have to close that accounts creation and all. So please reach out to the support team, and they have even posted in the chat board the registration link and also the phone number to which you can reach out after the enrollment team. And two things, as I told you, get your emails received today and also get yourself added into the community team. Instance access, everything you will be getting in the community today. Okay. So any questions as such in today's topic, online people? You can please unmute and you can ask me any questions in today's session.
Yeah, hi Kumar. This is Rohit.
Hi Rohit.
Just one question regarding this instance logins. So, like every company purchases these licenses, right? So, for any instance, they will purchase based on number of user logins, or like it limits the number of users for any instance, or
Definitely, it's based upon number of users, and also within users, we have the concept of roles in the system. So what roles are being used by which users? It's a dynamic calculation Oracle will do. It's a cloud-based subscription, right? So that will be cost will be calculated based upon number of users who using the system and what kind of roles assigned to them.
Okay. So if more number of users log in into one instance, so will that affect that performance?
Obviously,
Like,
the
yeah, yeah.
performance, performance will not affect because Oracle systems will be coming up with higher performance only. It's not about performance. Billing wise, the client will get costed accordingly.
Okay. Okay. The response you will get lag. Suppose if multi users, works on a single instance, like for example, 20 or
And it
30
doesn't
people.
matter. See,
Okay.
in,
Okay.
in my experience, I have the clients that I worked on where they have around 30,000, 40,000 employees working. That doesn't matter. Because
Okay.
Oracle for every client based upon their number of users using the performance wise, the backend support also it will increase like that, the bandwidths and all.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
Yeah. Next question, team. Any question in today's topic or in yesterday's topic, or are we good?
Kumar, I have a quick question. So you mentioned like there's a prod environment, the dev and the test environment, right?
Correct.
So irrespective, because and I know that you typically have clients who are enterprise, mid-market, or small, medium. So do all clients receive all these three environments?
By default, Joab, production, see when client pay the fee to Oracle, production and with production, one test. That is by default package every client will get. Development is a additional pay that clients will pay and they will get. So every client might not ask for development environment. As you are saying, mid-level or small companies are there. They don't want to afford that costing or billings. By default, production and test they will get. Developments, how many developments they want, depending upon their extra pay they will give.
Okay, so if they're implementing global HR and benefits and absence, it'll all be in one environment, not
Definitely. That will all be on
okay.
environment.
Already. Thanks for
I'll
that,
tell
Kumar.
you once we come to the project workshop, the differences of production, day one test, I will tell you. Okay.
Already. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Kumar, there would be an UAT environment also, no?
UAT means usually within development only one environment they will keep for UAT for
Okay,
pre-test.
okay.
Okay, team, then I'll conclude here for today. So let's join back in the next session and we'll continue, team. So people who yet to confirm, please complete your enrollments, team, so that we can able to share the accesses today. So the next session, 100% only enrolled people will be getting the new meeting.